Welcome to Psychological Inspiration. My name is Linda and today's topic is minimalism, how to get started. In my last video on minimalism, I explained 5 great benefits we get from minimalism. If you haven't seen that, you might want to watch that first. So how do we get there? In this video, I want to explain you how to be very clear about 2 categories. The first category, about the things that we really love, enjoy and use, and the things we don't need anyway. So, what is in the first category? We get up in the morning, put on our favorite clothes. We reach out for our favorite cup, having breakfast. We go to work. We use our laptop, our pen and paper, whatever. In the evening we go to the gym, our workout clothes. All that is stuff we enjoy and use. That is first category. What is second category? What is the stuff that only fills our lives, our homes, our minds and weighs us down? I'll give you some practical examples what to look for. Well, the first one is stuff that was useful at some point in our lives but is not anymore. Or stuff we got as a present but we never used. Stuff that wasn't a good idea to be bought in the first place, but it was expensive. Or clothes we grew out or we shrinked out. Or stuff that has expired or needs to be fixed, or we just don't like it anymore. Or the category of things we think we need one day for this fantasy life that doesn't even fit to us. When you go around in your home, you might want to have these categories of stuff you don't need in your mind and prove for you. Is it first category or is it second category? And start to be more critical. Whenever we surround ourselves only with first category or mainly with first category, we feel so much lighter and happier to be surrounded only by stuff we love and that we like to grab for makes our lives really better. To give you more practical examples and also examples from my life, watch the next video. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up, share it with people who might be interested in that topic too, subscribe to know when the next video is coming up, and have a great week. Goodbye.